I did this so far, so ready to get on the head. I love this event. This event was something that SCSU particularly wanted to do because we wanted a space for Black women to learn how to braid our hair and to learn to care for our hair.
Like, we need some moisture. So wanted scarves, tying it down.
And bringing a space for Black women to come together.
I'm gonna take my clip, I'm just gonna make a nice little square. So you can go ahead and do that.
That was really important for us to display it as U of T culture and UTSC culture especially. So have you guys always embraced your natural hair or your natural hair texture?
I think for a long time I was really afraid to cut my hair. Because I was like, if it's not long, then what? It's not beautiful.
I think compared to previous years, we are going in the right direction in building a Black community here at UTSC. UTSC just brings the world all in one bundle, and that's just really amazing.